Hi, today I'd like to show you the Kebeel app. It's an accessible third-party keyboard for iOS 8 on the iPad. So what that means is you can use this keyboard in any app where you can input text. So the Notes app, the Messages app, email, anywhere. And the great thing about this app is it's designed for people with physical and motor challenges, and it provides a lot of customization options to tailor it to the specific user. So here I'm in the app, and you can see it has settings for the appearance, the prediction. It has good word prediction that you can change the settings, so you can change how many options appear, if they appear, how large they are. There's also a hold duration option to help eliminate mistaken entries. So for example, I can require it to, in order to enter a character, someone would need to hold on it for 2 seconds, let's say. That way, you know that it's not an accident that you're pressing on that. There's also options to change how the backspace key works, so backspace repeat delay and backspace repeat rate. Those are helpful options as well. There's select on release option that I have, so you can glide your finger around the keyboard, and once you lift up your finger, that's the character that you were last on will be entered. And then one feature that I really like and can help people not only with physical motor difficulty, but also people with dyslexia or other disabilities is the auditory feedback. So as you type, it can read back the individual character, the words, the sentences, or all of those combined. So if somebody's typing, it'll, let's say, read back the word, and then they can confirm that that's the word they were trying to type in. So let's go over to the Notes app and see it in action. So here's the keyboard, and you can see looks kind of like the normal keyboard, but it's bigger, and the letters also change from capital to lowercase depending on the situation. So as I type the first letter, then it changes to lowercase. And here's the suggestion, so I can tap that to insert it. And the nice thing about this word prediction is that a Switch user, it can drastically increase the typing rate for a Switch user because they don't have to type in each individual letter. And I know you can't hear the auditory feedback in the video, but it would be speaking back each word or each letter that I type. But there is one thing I would like them to change, and that is, I'll just go back to the keyboard. This is how you can switch between keyboards. When you have the auditory feedback on, in order to turn it off, you need to go back into the app. And that's a little bit of a pain, because let's say you're in a situation where you can't have the auditory feedback. It would be nice to be able to just quickly switch it off. So maybe a suggestion that I have is right here next, there's this blank space when you pull up the numbers. If they could put an audio on and off button right there, that would really be helpful and a lot more convenient than going back into the app. So overall, I'm really liking the Kebeel Keyboard, and I think it's really a great app for people with motor difficulties, and also people who want to hear what they're typing, hear what they have typed read back to them to confirm that it's what they were trying to type. The app costs $14.99 in the App Store, and it's available only for English and on the iPad. Thanks for watching.